Hey guys, and here we are as promised with a follow-up video on the Xiaomi notebooks, Notebook Pro and Notebook Air, specifications down below, and also the playlist with the past videos that we already did on these two computers. Now today I just want to share with you a really quick and simple information regarding the battery performance or battery duration on these two laptops, both on Windows 10 and macOS. And we are back. So really quickly guys, what I did was a simple test because you guys have asked on the past videos regarding battery duration. Now, so that we can have an idea of how long the battery will last on these two machines, what I did was to just use a simple test, which was a open browser playing YouTube videos that will give me a rough idea of how long the duration of the battery will last on each one of them. Now on the Windows side, I did use Microsoft Edge on both computers, and then on the Mac OS I used Safari. And starting with the Windows result, as you guys can see right on the screen, on the notebook here we had a total duration of 4 hours and 8 minutes, while on the Notebook Pro it took almost 8 hours and 15 minutes. So for anyone looking for a laptop with Windows 10 that can last a while, and we're talking about 8 hours or so, then the Notebook Pro, as expected, has a lot more juice, so it will take a lot more. Now comparing to Mac OS, so that we can have a better idea, I also did the same test, and as you guys can see on the screen, on the Notebook Air we had 3 hours and 47 minutes, which is a little bit less. We are talking about 20 minutes more or less less than the Windows operating system on the same computer. And then on the Notebook Pro we only got 4 hours and 50 minutes. And here we can see a huge difference between Windows and Mac OS on this computer here, roughly half of the time in terms of battery consumption on macOS, and this just because this machine is optimized for Windows and not optimized for macOS. Nonetheless, the result was not bad at all. 4 hours and 50 minutes for a non-optimized machine in terms of battery, it's not bad at all. So it's not a MacBook Pro, but in terms of performance, which I will release next week or this week in terms of results, comparing these two machines on macOS as well. So stay tuned for that. And guys, this is it. I'm going to shut up. There's no point in talking more. These are the results so that you can have a better idea how these two laptops have their battery duration in these two different operating systems. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget that usual thumbs up. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.